Still on the EcoMix 20, it has reached 20 degree now. Steam has gone and it seems a bit hotter as well, especially down the window there, because you can see how high the bubbles and water are there. I thought with it being an eco wash, the water level would be quite low, but this is quite impressive for a main wash. Don't know what it'll do on the winters though. I'm also going to put the next load in on this same cycle, but I'm going to test it on half load. This is full load so far, so subscribe so you can find it later. This is a full load, but obviously it does drop once water goes in it, so it might look like half.